Hi everyone. Today I'll be making lemon angel cake bars. What all goes into the lemon angel cake bars? For the cake, you need one package angel food cake mix, 16 ounces, one 15.75 ounce can of lemon pie filling. This is 21 ounces, so I won't be using the whole thing. 1 cup unsweetened, finely shredded coconut. All I have is sweetened. For the frosting, 1 ounce packaged cream cheese softened, 1 stick or 1/2 cup butter softened, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2½ cups powdered sugar, 3 teaspoons lemon zest grated. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. So take a 15 by 10 by 1 inch baking pan, which is the size of this cookie sheet here, and grease it. So I'm just using non-stick cooking spray. So take your angel food cake mix, put it in a large bowl. In your 15.7 ounce can of lemon pie filling. Which I did about 16 ounces. 1 cup coconut, unsweetened, finely shredded. Again, mine is sweetened. And then just mix that all together until completely combined. So take your cake mix and dump it into the prepared pan. And spread that out. So here it is all spread out. Put your lemon angel cake bars in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. So after 21 minutes in the oven, I took it out. Let's see if the toothpick comes out clean. And it does. After it cools completely, we'll then make the frosting and frost it. So next we'll be making the frosting. Put in the softened butter in a big bowl. The softened cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and beat that until smooth. And then gradually add the powdered sugar and mix that. All right, so that looks pretty good. So put the frosting on the cake and then spread that out. It made really nice looking frosting. Probably an offset spatula would be good for this. I don't have one. Maybe that'll be on my list of next things to buy. But this little spatula that I got from Lee's Arkansas Bound, I really love it. It spreads pretty good. All right, so that looks pretty good. So then take your lemon zest. I didn't measure it. I don't know if there's 3 teaspoons there. If I need more, I'll get some more lemons to do that. And then just sprinkle that over the top of the frosting. So I think the lemon zest looks good on there. Enough, but not too much, not too little. Then we'll put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours and up to overnight. So Dave will be home in probably about 6 hours. We'll cut into this and then he can do a taste test. So here is the Lemon Angel Cake Bar. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It smells lemony. Tastes lemony.
It's Lemon Angel Cake Bars.
Oh, okay. Well, that explains that.
Yeah, you'd wonder if I didn't say there was no lemon in it.
It's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.